So you've mastered the art of creating websites, but you have no clients, no money. Sounds familiar? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 ways you can make money as a web designer. All right, so let's start off with number 1, templates. So templates are really powerful because you can create ready, done for you websites, which are one-click installs. I'm sure if you've noticed on my website, I do have those. I've got Site Crafter where you can just package it as a plugin, install it, and just like that, you'll have your website up and running in minutes. So these are the sort of websites that you can create. But the trick with this is you want to create these websites for specific industries. You don't want to make random websites. So these are, for example, websites for gym owners or websites for dentists or websites for doctors and so on. So you don't want to just create a random one because the random one won't work because it's too much time for the person that has bought it to start customizing it to make it work for them. So what you can also do with these child themes is you can sell them in marketplaces. So I'm a Divi user and Divi has a marketplace, but there are also other marketplaces which have a lot of visitors to that website. So these are the marketplaces where you can advertise or promote your child themes. All right, so let's move on to number 2. So this is teaching online. So YouTube has given us a lot of opportunities where we can post our videos, just like what I do. I do a lot of tutorials on how to design websites and how to design specific type of websites. So with the knowledge now that you have, you can package it and sell it as a course or even just teach online, just like what I do. Now, why this is important is you can also get paid by YouTube, of course, if you do a very good job in AdSense, and this could be also side money that could be coming in, as well as promoting yourself. I have a lot of emails of people asking me if I can design their websites for them and so on. So this is also self-advertising. All right, so let's move on to number 3, affiliate commissions. So as a designer, you need to create your own blog. And on this blog, what you can do is you can promote products that you use in your web design process. For example, let's say you use a specific company for hosting. You can recommend it, write an article about it, promote that article, do a bit of SEO so that article really ranks up in search. But of course, this is not very straightforward to get your articles ranking. But if you make it a habit of creating high quality content, you can get your articles ranking. But the idea here is to make money through the affiliate commissions. So you can sign up with, for example, SiteGround, and they will give you commissions for everyone that signs up using your link. That's another way that you can make money. But talking about affiliate marketing, you can also do this with the videos. I also do this on my own website. Anyone that purchases Divi using my affiliate link, I get paid, and also I give bonuses to anyone that buys my course. So just to give them a bit of an incentive and an easy way to get up and running with that particular program. So you can do this with any type of software that you use for your web design process. Let's move on to number 4, and that is maintenance plans. So what you could actually do is focus on creating websites with WordPress, for example, and then the websites that you design, you offer a maintenance plan. Now, what this maintenance plan covers is if anything goes wrong with the website, you can be the go-to person to fix that problem, because chances are if you're designing websites for business owners, they don't have the time to make sure the website is running okay. And if something goes wrong, they won't know where to start because their main focus is running their business. You want to be the person that makes sure everything is working okay, because a lot of things happen when you update your websites. It is crazy. Sometimes, things stop working because all these plugins are trying to work together. So one plugin here could do an update, which then breaks another thing on the other plugin, or even WordPress itself, when they update their main core, this could break other features of other plugins. So you need to be on top of this, and you can charge your customers a minimal amount to take care of things when they go wrong. Now let's move on to number 5. Now this one here is very important, and this is freelancing. So a lot of mistakes that a lot of people do is when they do freelancing, they go in and do random websites. So when you go into freelancing, just like I mentioned in the child themes, you want to focus on a specific area. If you become a jack of all trades in web design, this doesn't work. That's the mistake I did when I started my agency. I was just designing pretty much any type of website. And that really put me in a very difficult situation because I had to adapt every type of websites to what the client needed. But if you, let's say, for example, focus on e-commerce websites, you know you're using specific tools and these can be learned across the whole system, and it makes it easier for you to work even faster and you become an expert in those type of websites. The other example is if you also focus on, say, for example, creating websites for gym owners, that is also great because you can put down a system that really works for gym owners, like maybe subscriptions, or you can have opt-ins. You can also have automated emails specific for gym owners. So if you're going to design, let's say, 5 other websites of gym owners, the system is pretty much the same. It doesn't really make you want to go out and start researching other things that you may want to do. So as you can see, this is really powerful because you specialize in one thing and you'll be known for that one thing. All right, so I have a bonus tip for you, and this is, if you're designing websites using WordPress, you want to choose and focus on one page builder. Now, the reason is these page builders, they get complex and they get updated all the time. So if you're using different page builders, you're going to be spending so much time trying to learn this platform and that platform, and pretty much you're going to be spread too thin. So you want to focus on one page builder. Now, the one I highly recommend is Divi, because as a freelancer or as someone who wants to design websites, you have the unlimited plan on both the yearly and lifetime membership plans. So this is super awesome because you don't have to spend a lot more money as you're designing these websites for your clients. So this could be a license for your design agency, and that's the package that you provide. So that is the page builder I highly recommend, and it is also very, very powerful. It's very good. It's fast, and these are the sort of features that you want. And the support is great as well. I use Divi for all my sites. So focus on one page builder, make sure you master it, and this is how it's going to speed up your workflow every time you're designing your websites, your themes, your child themes, and so on. So these are the 5 ways you can make money as a web designer. Let me know what you think in the comments box below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.